Twinson launches Twinson Terrace outdoor flooring, the classic solution for garden paths, patios and terraces. Made of the versatile Twinson material, this unique terrace concept offers the natural warmth of wood, together with the ease of maintenance and sustainability of PVC. As the terrace of the future, Twinson Terrace is 100% recyclable and PEFC certified. Twinson offers diverse solutions for the simple installation of a terrace on any surface. Twinson supporting beams can be installed on a level concrete surface. When installing, it's important that the distance between the supporting beams is smaller at the ends than in the middle. Be sure to provide sufficient slope for drainage. Twinson also has a solution for surfaces that are not level. Again, the distance between the supporting beams is smaller at the beginning and end than in the middle. Twinson Terrace can also be installed as a suspended floor, for example when constructing a roof terrace. Twinson has developed special terrace supports to support the floating substructure. Once the substructure has been installed, further installation of Twinson Terrace is also very easy. The slip-resistant material is easy to work with using standard tools and is split, splinter and rot-free. Fasten the starting clips with screws and install the first plank. Secure each clip with a screw. One clip per plank is also attached horizontally to prevent the planks from moving. Both sides of the terrace plank can serve as the visible side. An indication line is foreseen on the inside of the plank. Make sure that this is always on the same side. This will allow further installation of the complete terrace to proceed quickly. Because the planks are largely made of natural material, it is important to include sufficient play when installing. Twinson offers a number of different possibilities for finishing: an end cap, aluminium profile, skirting made of Twinson, or a combination of aluminium and Twinson profiles. After installation, the terrace is cleaned with a pressure washer to remove the sawdust. Should it ever be needed, the individual planks can easily be replaced. Thus, Twinson Terrace guarantees a long life of outdoor fun in style.